Guys, here I have Roland HD1 model. It's the cheap one, the cheapest I believe. So first I will show you what it looks like and some features. It's very simple one. So we're gonna start with tempo. It's a metronome. Here you have MIDI out, mix in, output and headphones. I'm using this output with a 3.5 jack to this amplifier. On the back it has the same plug as Roland TD15, and we can use the same cable what we can use with other TD models. Here I have the same setup I use for TD15, so all pads and cymbals are connected, but not everything is working. So we're gonna see it now. So number one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This doesn't work, this doesn't work. So now I'm gonna do the demo of the models what works. So drum kit number 1. Okay, variation. Number 2. Number 2 variation. Number 3, simple one. Variation number 3. Well. Very interesting one. Variation. Wow. Okay, number 5, simple one. That's the funniest thing I ever heard. And the variation. Now I will show you first drum kit, kick drum, but apparently it's connected as a hi-hat, I believe. So here it is. Now variation. Okay, number 2. Variation number 2. 3, simple one. Variation. Number 4. Number 4 variation. Number 5. Oh my god, that's cool. And 5 variation. And tell me it's not cool, huh? That's it.